They will be rather persistent features, and they can vary in size, obviously, just like tornadoes can vary in size. Usually, when it's broad like this, as you see here, that is more so your mesocyclone. When it tightens up and constricts in size, that is usually when it becomes a tornado. So it does take a little bit of practice to determine what is a tornado and what is not, but once you get the hang of it, a lot of these tornado vortex signatures become pretty obvious. It's very tight areas of rotation on radar. Usually going to be at the tip of the hook echo. That's one thing to remember with tornado vortex signatures. They're going to be usually on the southwest or rear flank of the supercell, usually at the tip of the hook echo. Now, if your storm is really far from the radar site, that usually means that you're not able to detect anything in the low levels of the storm, which is, of course, where tornadoes happen. That radar beam is only hitting the upper levels of the storm, so it can't really see much of the low levels of the storm. So if your storm is very far from the radar site, you're not going to be able to confirm or not a tornado is in progress. But if a storm is close to the radar, you can have a much better depiction of whether or not your storm may be producing a tornado. So always keep that in mind as well. The range from the radar is important when you're analyzing these features.
Join our storm chasing community. Discord link in bio.